Good morning. My name is Diana Lee Tuma, and I'm currently a graduate assistant with the SCSU Center of Educational and Assistive Technology. In our first video tutorial, we walked you through how to link your SCSU CEAT Google account to your personal device, and walked you through how to download a PDF into OrbitNote and utilize the features on OrbitNote as an educational resource. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to utilize the features of the Google Chrome Read and Write extension for a website such as thenewyorker.com. So, in this tutorial, you will see that once your SCSU CEAT Google account has been synced to your personal device, you should see these icons appear in the top right corner of your screen. The blue circle is the icon for OrbitNote, and the purple icon with RW in white letters is the icon for the Read and Write for Google Chrome extension. Once you see these icons appear in the top right corner of your screen, your first step will be to select one of the icons, thus such. Once you have done that, you will see that the features of the Google Chrome Read and Write extension will appear across the top of your screen. I will begin by selecting an article. And from here, I will walk you through how to utilize all the features. So I'm going to select it one more time. Sometimes it may take you a little longer just to download the features and for it to appear across the top of your screen. Just be patient, it'll be sure to come up. So for our first feature, we will visit the Read Aloud feature, which we will begin by highlighting our content and then selecting the hover speech icon to the left. Press play. Highlight icon, press play, and you will see that the content on the article or on the online web page is read aloud to you. To pause it, to stop it. Next, we will visit our next icon, which is the dictionary icon. For this one, you will highlight a vocabulary word, and then you will select the dictionary icon. You will see that a definition for the term will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. In order to have the definition read aloud to you, select the arrow. To come out of the feature, you will select the X. Next, we'll visit the Picture Dictionary feature. To access Picture Dictionary, you will first begin by highlighting a content word, selecting Picture Dictionary, and you will see a picture depicting the definition of the term appear on the left-hand side of your screen. To have the term read aloud to you, select the arrow. Select the X to come out of it. Next, we will visit the Screenshot Reader. In order to access the Screenshot Reader, you will first begin by selecting the icon. And once the plus sign appears, you will carefully select the screenshot that you would like to have read aloud to you, as such. Please note that it may take a while to download. To pause it, to come out of it altogether. Next, we have the web search. In order to access the web search, you will highlight a vocabulary word, and then you will select web search, which will bring you to another Google page in which you'll be able to explore the word that you have highlighted in greater detail. Next, we have screen masking. For screen masking, you will first begin by selecting the icon, and you will see the screen mask will appear, allowing you to carefully read the text piece by piece, section by section. To come out of screen mask, you will select the screen mask feature one more time. Next, we have the translator. In order to access the translator, you will first begin by highlighting a vocab word and selecting the translator icon. In order to have the translation read aloud to you, you will select the arrow. To come out of it altogether, you will select the X. Next, you will access our highlighter feature by highlighting the word and selecting your appropriate color. Thus such. To erase something that has been highlighted, we will carefully highlight the word and select the paintbrush. This feature will allow you to collect everything that has been highlighted in the text. In order to do this, you will make sure that vocabulary words have been highlighted in their different colors: pink, blue, green, yellow. And once you select the Collect All feature, you will select OK, and you will be automatically taken to a Google document that gets created and saved within the Google Drive, collecting everything that has been highlighted on the page or on the online webpage. Next, we have a vocabulary list. In order to access our vocabulary list, you will also highlight vocabulary words. And once you highlight your vocabulary words, you will select the vocabulary list icon, which will automatically take you to a Google document that gets created and saved within the Google Drive that allows you to keep a running record of vocabulary terms that you have highlighted from the text. The vocabulary list gets created and saved in the Google Drive of the SCSU CEAT account. Lastly, we will access the Practice Reading Aloud feature. So for this feature, you will select the icon. You will be prompted to use your microphone, in which you will select Allow. And then you will follow the instructions on the right-hand side of your screen. Click the record button to get started. Click stop when you're finished. Use the play button to listen to how you did. Childhood lover arrives back in town after 8 years. Stop. Play. Once you have recorded what you have read aloud, you will then have the option to also send your recording with your teacher or any other educator that may need to access a recording of your oral reading. That is all for the features of the Google Chrome Read&Write extension and how it is that you can utilize it when reading on any online web page or browser, such as the New Yorker, CNN, New York Times, etc. Should you have any further questions or doubts, please do not hesitate in reaching out to our office. Thank you.